Welcome, viewers, to the sacred city of Ayodhya, a place that resonates with the essence of Rama Janmasthala. Let's embark on a journey to uncover the historical significance and traditions celebrated during this festival. Ayodhya, known as the birthplace of Lord Rama, holds a special place in Hindu mythology. Its history dates back to ancient times, with the epic Ramayana narrating the tale of Lord Rama and his righteous rule. Every year, Ayodhya and countless other places across the globe celebrate Rama Janmasthala, commemorating the birth of Lord Rama. The air is filled with devotion, prayers, and cultural festivities. Devotees engage in various rituals during Rama Janmasthala, including lighting lamps, reciting hymns, and offering prayers at temples. These traditions symbolize the victory of light over darkness and the triumph of good over evil. The spirit of Rama Janmasthala transcends borders, with devotees around the world joining in the celebrations. From processions in India to community events in other countries, the festival fosters unity and cultural exchange. Rama Janmasthala exemplifies the unity in diversity, bringing people from different walks of life together to celebrate love, compassion, and the ideals of Lord Rama. As we conclude our journey through Ayodhya and the celebration of Rama Janmasthala, let us embrace the timeless teachings of Lord Rama and strive for unity, love, and harmony in our lives.